Hi! In front of me is Honor, Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options on this Honor. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System and Updates. Now you need to click on Language and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finally Typing. Over here, as you can see, all text correction features are located. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one, or click on it and tap on one of the available options, like gestures. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!